Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Ongole location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. I am also going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for this job roles which are mentioned in this video. Interested candidates, you can easily apply from there. Coming to the video, there is a job opening available in Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for executive credit operations. And if you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like operations, processing of completed files and sending to CPU, maintaining desired level of quality with minimum DVU, whole system hold or branch hold. Regular and close coordination with the sales or vendor for clearing all the holes without any delay. Regular interaction and liaison with various HO departments. Publishing regular MIS to sales regarding the holes and processing of files. Regular training to sales and discussion on process or policy and to reduce branch hold. These are some job duties and key responsibilities for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager credit operations. It is also from Bajaj Finserv. If you see the job qualifications and the experience required for this position, like you should have 2 to 4 years of experience and minimum 1 year of experience in managing branch operations, and you should be postgraduate and you should have collaborative work style to engage with peers and colleagues across the company, and you should have excellent communicational skills along with strong presentation and data analytical skills, and you should be self-motivated and a self-starter. These are some qualifications and experience required for this position. And if you see the job duties and key responsibilities, like to ensure SLA delivery for each process, achieve sales to sales numbers, to ensure all cash management services at the branch are delivered, data analysis and sharing of best practices with the team, and ensuring implementation of policies and processes. These are some duties and responsibilities for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the job details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager PLC's growth. It is also from Bajaj Finserv. And if you see the job qualifications and experience required for the desired candidates, you should have graduate or postgraduate along with relevant experience of 1 to 2 years in the financial service industry, and you should have excellent communicational skills, exceptionally high motivational levels, and needs to be a self-starter. These are some qualifications and experience required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager rural gold loans. It is also from Bajaj Finserv. And if you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, to achieve given sales through customer walk-ins, work closely with the branch service executives to drive gold loan customers for fulfillment, ensuring policy adherence and meeting compliance requirement, tracking approval rate and other critical SLA deliverables for gold loan products, and supporting ASIR in operations or documentation. These are some duties and key responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the qualifications and the experience required, you should be a graduate with 2 to 3 years of experience and knowledge of cross sell or gold loan sales, and you should have good selling skills and interpersonal skills. Interested candidates, you can please go through the information given here, and to apply for this position the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the Deputy Area Manager, Debt Management Services Consumer, and it is also from Bajaj Finserv. If you see the duties and responsibilities for this position, to achieve collection targets of the area assigned, ensuring meetings, pay targets, meeting the target on cost of collections, control bucket flow cases and focus on non-starters, ensuring documented feedback, ensuring legal guidelines are complied with while repossessing of products, and ensuring audit queries are compiled with, ensuring adequate feet on street availability area-wise or bucket-wise or segment-wise. These are some duties and responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales manager. It is from Swiggy, and if you see the job description, like sign contracts with restaurants along and handling the inquiries from existing and new client, gather sales leads from the market and approach restaurants actively from no star to 5 stars and get them on board with Swiggy as a partner, and maintaining a strong relationship with restaurant owners and advising them on issues related to the market and offering solutions on the same. This is the job description for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the manager or DCM or shrimp feed sales, and it is from Godrej Group. For this position, the candidates should have an MBA from the reputed B school, and the candidate should have 5 to 8 years of experience in the sales function with excellent communication and negotiation skills, and the candidate should have knowledge of Telugu would be an added advantage. And coming to the roles and responsibilities for this position, like achieving sales budget, achieving sales volumes and collection plan of the territory, channel management, like develop and manage channel for the shrimp feed sales in the given geographics by appointing dealers or distributors and push sales turnover, and team building, like collaborate and lead the team in the geographics to enable them achieve business objectives. These are some roles and responsibilities for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the relationship executive sales. It is from S-Force Services. For this job position, any graduate can apply, and along with minimum 1 year of experience and sales experience is preferred. And if you see the job responsibilities, like identify potential customers from amongst a bunch of leads, qualify leads from different marketing campaigns as variable sales opportunities, contact prospects via mails and cold calls, present the company to prospective clients, identify client requirements and suggest them with suitable products or services. These are some responsibilities I have included here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the relationship manager. It is from Exide Life Insurance. For this job position, the candidates should have skills like zeal to work in sales, and the candidate should be a graduate and must have two-wheeler and a smartphone. Interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job role and to apply for this one, you can check in the description box for the link. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the relationship officer or relationship manager, and it is from Exide Life Insurance. And if you see the skills and knowledge and qualifications required for this position, like you should have 2 to 4 years of work experience in direct sales with at least 2 years of experience in life insurance, and you should be a graduate with sales background and demonstrate competence in target marketing to specific prospects, and you should have good influencing and negotiation skills and should be a mobile savvy and must carry an Android phone, and you must have two-wheeler, and the age should be below 30 years. Interested candidates, you can please check in the description box for the link to apply. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.